Hey, what's going on, everybody? Badger DIY back here again, and today I want to show you something special. This is the Hyperion Inverse X, a next generation handheld that's supposed to release in early 2026. Now, this thing can run Android 19, also known as Vanilla Rose, and Windows 11 Pro, all on the same device. So you can easily jump between Steam, Xbox, and Android apps in just a few seconds. It's powered by the new Snapdragon 25X Ultra Elite Zen, paired with 64 GB of RAM and 2 TB of micro DIMM storage. It's the most powerful chip ever announced for a handheld, and it gets even crazier. The Inverse X comes with the tri-dimensional glasses with dual 4K camera. Tap one button and the glasses record everything you see. Your games, your POV, your world is happening instantly. And of course, I can't show you that here. You'll have to experience it when it launches. And as a bonus, you can adjust the screen how you want. But for now, let's see what this thing can do. Okay, if you're still watching, I have to tell you that none of that was real. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, and I really hope I fooled at least a few of you. Because the point of this video is simple. You don't need a next gen console to enjoy gaming. Even older devices can still be fun. Gaming should be enjoyable and not expensive. And with today's prices, sometimes the best option is to reuse what you already have. So in this video, I'm going to show you how an older tablet can still become a surprisingly fun gaming setup. And if I tricked you at the start, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Okay, here's what we actually using today. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A from 2019. It's a simple 10-inch tablet running Android E11. And the real specs are, it's an Exynos 7904 CPU. We do have 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and a 10-inch 1920 by 1200 display. It's nothing powerful, it's nothing modern, just a very basic budget tablet, but we're still going to make it work. For controls, I'm using the GameSir G8 Plus Galileo. This controller is honestly amazing. It has magnetic face plates, you can swap instantly, a great D-pad, comfortable sticks, and a solid handheld feel. It makes any tablet feel like a real gaming device, and it definitely upgrades the experience here. You can experience a different layout, swap the buttons as you desire or per the system you play. The buttons snap right into place afterwards. Alright, let's talk about what this tablet can actually run. A device like this can realistically handle all the Android games, some retro emulation up to PlayStation 1, and of course streaming and cloud games. But we are limited by the 32 gigs of storage, and you can also add an SD card if you want more space. But for today, I'm focusing on two things: Moonlight plus Apollo PC gaming streaming and Xbox Game Pass. Both of these let you play modern games on all the hardware, and it works surprisingly well. Setting this up is very simple. Install Apollo on your PC. This is what allows the tablet to connect to your computer. Complete the installer, create your account, and leave Apollo running. On your tablet, go to Play Store and download Moonlight. Once you open it, Moonlight will automatically scan your Wi-Fi network. Tap your PC inside Moonlight to begin pairing, and Moonlight will show you a pin. On your PC, open your browser and type localhost 47990. Go to the pin pairing page, enter the pin, add the device name, and you're done. Your tablet is now linked to your PC for full game streaming. Let's start with Moonlight. Here I'm playing Hogwarts Legacy, and honestly, it runs great. This smooth movement, clean image quality, and the controller feels perfect. Moonlight plus Apollo really brings all devices back to life, I can say. Next, let's try Forza Horizon on Xbox Game Pass. This works too, but you will notice a bit of a lag. This is mostly because of the Wi-Fi chip in this tablet. It's old and not very fast. So Moonlight definitely performs better, but both methods are playable. And that is it for today. The Hyperion Inverse X may be fake, but the idea behind it is real. You don't always need a brand new hardware to enjoy gaming. Sometimes you just need to be creative with what you already have. If you enjoyed this one, feel free to like or subscribe and let me know in the comments what do you think about this setup and what is your setup. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.